Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for the world famous chicken katsu curry. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take our breast of chicken and we just slice them through the middle, butterflying them out so that they're both the same size for whenever they go in the oven. Now that these are done, we'll just pop them to the side and we'll take a roasting tray and we'll spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. Pop that to the side, and now we're going to breadcrumb our chicken. Take your chicken fillets, pop one into the flour, then into the egg, make sure they're well coated, and then cover them in breadcrumbs. I've just used wholemeal breadcrumbs here, but you can use panko or whichever breadcrumbs you have. So now that our chicken's all breadcrumbed, we're just going to spray the top of it again with some low calorie cooking oil. Take them over to a preheated oven and pop them in there for about 25 minutes just until they're cooked. And now over to our sauce. So we take a medium-sized saucepan, we spray it with some low calorie cooking oil, and to that then we add one chopped onion. Some chopped ginger, some crushed garlic, and we'll cook that for about 5 minutes just until the onion softens. So now that our onions softened, we're going to add our curry powder, some turmeric, give that a stir around, cook it for about 1 minute, and then to that we're going to add some plain flour. Now we'll cook this for about 2 minutes just until the flour taste has gone away. And now we're going to add our vegetable stock. And then some coconut milk. Pinch of sugar, some salt and pepper, and some light soy sauce. Cook that for about 15 minutes, just until it starts to thicken up, and then we're going to blend it with the hand blender. Now you can make yours as thick or as thin as you like. I like mine just to leave a little bit of onion in it, but if you want yours really thin, you can blend it and then strain it through a sieve. So now that our sauce is blended, our chicken's ready, it's time to serve our chicken katsu curry. So I've just served mine with some boiled sticky rice and some stir-fried vegetables. Take a plate, pour the sauce out. Like I said, I like mine chunky. Place your chicken on. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.